All right, guys and girls, welcome to Go on Guitar. We have a beautiful song here from Keenan. It's called Pieces. So this is an artist from Australia. I believe he got his attention on TikTok, I believe so, and he got famous there. And from there on, he took off. And now, yeah, he's on Go on Guitar. Pieces, wonderful song. Let's go into it. And we have it played with a capo on fourth. That's a good, very good start. And then we have four very easy chords. So let's take a look at the chords. We're gonna start with C. So C goes third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Next chord is G. So that will be third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We have D next, and it's same shape as the C, but you just move it 2 frets towards you inwards. So it will be fifth on A, fourth on D, open G, third B, and open E. And then finally we have the E minor. Of course, we need to bring in the E minor with those chords. So it's gonna be open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. So we have the four famous chords C, G, D, and E minor. Let's go into the strumming. And this strumming here in this song is a little bit irregular because in some parts it's all about the feel, how you want to play it. But if we will aim for some sort of consistency when it comes to playing something in the same way throughout the song, then we'll come as close as down, up, down, up. That will be the most accurate to play, okay? So if you grab the first chord, the C, then one string round will be like this. Okay, so it's a down, a short pause, and then up, down, up. And a couple of rounds goes down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. All right, so there you have it. Now we're ready for an actual song, and we're gonna start with the first verse. You're gonna play C, 4 string rounds, G2, and D2. That is one chord progression round. You're gonna play for 4 rounds. So C4, G2, D2 times 4, like this. So I gave you 2 rounds there, you double up, and you have the first verse there. Next is the chorus play. I believe in the lyrics, I've watched you fall out of love. That's where we are. Now you're going to continue, of course, the same strumming. That's the deal, to play in the same way. Now you're going to play G, 4 string rounds, D4, E minor 2, back to D2, and then C4. That is 1 round. You're going to play for 2 rounds. So G4, D4, E minor 2, D2, and C4. Let's play it again. So so there you have the first chorus. Then you're gonna jump right back into the second verse. It's played exactly in the same way as the first verse. Okay. The only difference there is to when you play on the third round, you're gonna, instead of playing C4 and then G2 and D2, you just stay on the G4. So you still play 4 rounds of this chord progression, And round number 1, 2, and 4 is in the same way as we played in the first verse. But the round 3 here in the second verse, you're going to play C4 and G4. That's all the difference, okay? That is the second verse, and then into the second chorus. Again, it's just repetition. You're going to play exactly the same as in the first one. And then you have just the outro part left after the second chorus. You're going to play the chorus play. Just continue with that with 2 more rounds. And that's it, my friends. Quinantes, pieces. So piece by piece, you put that chord down, that there, and you have the story pattern, and that's it. So build up the song in that way. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. And if it was helpful, let me know. Leave a comment or just subscribe and like this tutorial. That makes my day. So thank you so much, guys. And until next time, play tuned.